Hi guys, how are you all doing? This is going to be a very quick one. I'm not here to take you guys time. I just want to show you guys or tell you guys how you can identify the original Kojic acid soap. So many videos that I've made about Kojic acid soap, majority of the questions or the comments is how can I identify the original one? Honestly speaking, I go for more of the naked one than the Kojic one because I think that Kojic is a little bit very difficult to get the original unless you have a trusted supplier online. But going around finding the original Kojic is very hard. Trust me, majority of the ones you might even see in stores might be fake if you cannot identify them, because I was looking for the naked Kojic acid soap. I actually got original Kojic acid soap in a store, so I got 10 of it, and I wanted to kind of like share with some people that might need it on my timeline. So if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you're following me so that you don't miss out on another deal. I posted it and some people requested that I help them like get, so I went back there. They don't even have so much on their shelf again, so I need to start sourcing and start going to different stores to see if I can get another one. And guys, I got more than 100 pieces, but guess what, they are fake, so I did not buy it. Thank God that I was able to identify the original, because even the name gave it off at first, because I'm like, the one I have at home, the name written on it is not even written this way, like the font is not this way, but they did not allow me to take pictures because they know that I vlog or make videos on about skincare. So yeah, the original one, this is the original one. Actually, this is the original one. If you're using a naked Kojic acid soap and the naked Kojic acid soap that you're using does not have a description like this, and there is no expiring date on it as well, you guys can see a note written at the back of this one. If the one you're using at home does not have anything like this, best believe you might be using the fake one. I'm not talking about those using Kojic acid and papaya that are packed in a container, maybe from Glutacy or whatever brand. I'm talking about the naked Kojic acid soap itself that looks like this, that you see the packing like this, naked. This is what it looks like. And aside from the fact that this soap has all this description at the back, there is a particular picture that you should as well try and see if the one you're using has as well. So this particular one is the original one, and even from the smell, but I don't know how I can describe the smell because I know the smell, so I definitely know that I'm with the original one. But yeah, at the back of it, they have the ingredients written boldly on it. They have a number, like more like a NAFDAC number. I don't know what they call it there, but there's a registered number on this soap, made in Philippines, and the net weight is written there. Everything is written there that you need to know. So this particular one is the original one. So the other one that is the fake one does not have anything like ingredients written on it, and that was what gave it over first, aside from the font, because they actually gave me like this in a pack like this. So I was checking this name, and I noticed the font was so freaking different. I'm like, the Kojic acid written on it, the paper, the color is not the same. So I brought out my phone and I started comparing the one I have with me, and I saw a lot of difference. So they were looking at me. I think that was the reason why they stopped me from actually snapping it from their store. One thing again is the original one has an indicator for where you are to peel it off before you use it. So this is like pull to open, so it is written boldly on everything. So, and every soap that comes in this pack has the ingredients written on it, has an expiring date written on it, has the registered number written on it. So everything is written on it. So if you're not getting it, if you're not seeing it on the body of the one you're using, best believe you might be buying the fake, especially this particular brand. And yeah, so this one has batch number, they have expiring date. This one is actually going to expire on the 18th of May 2023. So I think this is going to help you, because I see a lot of people complain about the fact that their Kojic acid is not working. Be rest assured, be sure that you're not using the fake one, because if you're using the fake one, you will not get results. Normally using Kojic acid, you should see a slight change. Even if you're not seeing a drastic change, you should see a slight change in your skin in 3 weeks. If you don't see something like that, please check the container, check the carton, check the ones you're using to be sure that there's a full description of the Kojic acid on it. The particular naked one is so common in stores, and that's why I wanted to talk about it. This is one of the most common one when it comes to the naked soap. This is the one you see the most in the supermarket. I hope this really helps someone who wants to get the naked Kojic acid soap. If this helped you, please leave a like and comment and subscribe before you go.